This is the Earth Science Classroom. Here we have a beautiful tree slice, a tree cookie, a cut piece of oak that allows scientists to focus on, dissect, observe, and investigate the tree rings and the internal components of this tree. We can tell or learn a lot about this tree and the environment it came from analyzing these tree rings, which is called dendrochronology. Now, this science is looking at using proxy evidence from this tree to imply or interpret for the climate which occurred during the growth of this tree from the center where the seed sprouted, which here is in the pith, through the annual rings, which means the annual growth of this tree from a small seed to a small seedling to a small tree out over the course of a number of years to form this beautiful large oak tree, which is then sliced for our observation and our experiments and interpretation. So this tree cookie, tree slice is amazing to look at for inferring other scientific information about the environment. Let's say the climate or the precipitation or the years of drought, even looking at forest fires, which will be indicated in these rings, or a sign of disease, or even where the branches grew out of. So all this stuff can be learned from this amazing tree ring. Well, first, we have the components. We have the annual rings, which extend out, which increase the girth and show the growth year on year out, based on climate, based on the availability of water and nutrients and sugars for the tree to grow. Then you have the heartwood, this darker central mass of dead tree cells. And we have this lighter, smaller area of sapwood around the outside of the heartwood. And then we have finally the cambium, which contains the phloem and xylem, which is the active transport of both water and sugars through the tree for growth. And on the outside, we have the tree's epidermis, or the tree's skin, which is obviously called the bark. This is the Earth Science Classroom. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you want more content and videos on Earth Science, please check out my channel.